and we are live. You know what day it is? It's Feature Friday. It's Chris and Will from LifterLMS. Hope you're having an amazing week. Speaking of Friday, it's our Black Friday all November sale. So head on over to lifterlms.com/Black-Friday. Use the coupon code BlackFriday23 to save 50% off the first year of any new order. Today in Feature Friday, we're going to be looking at how to do an automated post-purchase email follow-up that upsells using nothing but just plain LifterLMS out of the box. The LifterLMS email engagements are really powerful, and I want to make sure you know that we have this system that can, not just on purchase, but on lots of triggers, send automated emails. We're going to demo upselling to you today. LifterLMS makes approximately 5% of our revenue through this with selling software. So it's a really awesome strategy. Over to you, Will.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Chris. And yeah, this is a strategy that you added at LifterLMS where when a customer purchases a product, they get a coupon to purchase another product. And sometimes we'll use that in sales or whatever. But that's just a brilliant way to get someone who's already engaging with your platform a deal that works for them and a deal that works for you, because you're getting the upsell revenue, getting them more engaged into the platform. And then they're also getting a sweet deal for engaging with you. So I'm going to share my screen here. I'm on the back end of my WordPress website, and we're going to be setting up an example. Let me find two courses that I'll use as an example. So we'll say if somebody enrolls in the saving strategy course, I'm going to try to upsell them to, I'll just give them a 50% off coupon for anything. And like you said, there's a lot of different ways you could do this. We could say only give them a coupon that applies to college planning if we want to upsell from saving strategy to college planning. But I'll just say if you buy the saving strategy course, you get a 50% off coupon that you can use on any product on the website. So let's set that up now. What I would do is go to engagements, emails. I'm going to open that in a new tab because we're going to need to come back to my tab here in a second, because we're also going to need to open up orders coupons, because as a part of this email, there's going to be a coupon included, the 50% off one that I've mentioned. So let's go ahead and go back to the email. So engagements emails is a really powerful feature of LifterLMS that I don't see a lot of users working with. And if you don't already have a CRM or email list tool system like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or something like that, I would recommend using this as a great way to get started with engaging your customers and students with emails. And so what we'll say is saving strategy purchase. This is just an internal note for me as the website admin to know what this email is about. So I'm just going to make sure it's clear. I can use these merge codes as well. So I can say student first name, because of course, when we're formatting emails, we might want to say, hi, student first name. Thanks for buying saving strategy. Thanks for buying saving strategy. Maybe I should be more specific. The saving strategy course. Here's a coupon for 50% off any other item. And for 50% off any other item. And then we'll generate our coupon code. In my other tab here, we'll click add coupon. This coupon code will be saving strategy, maybe. I don't know if I should call it that. Maybe we'll just call it 50 off. That'll work. So we'll do a 50% discount on any access plan. And if you did want to restrict it, like I mentioned before, if I wanted to say that this 50% off only applies to college planning, I could do that as well by just saying this coupon is limited to only the college planning course, for example. But I'm just going to leave it blank for now, so you could use this coupon on anything. And I separated the 50 off with a dash because 0 and O look a lot alike. So 50 off is going to be the coupon code. Make sure the customer sees that. Hope to see you in there. And that'll be my my email there. The default email is to the student email. You could, of course, change that if you wanted to, but in this case, we do want to send this email to the student. If you wanted to add an email subject, you could do that as well here. So this would be a sweet discount for you.
You could even BCC yourself if you just want to make sure it's working and see who, see when it's happening in real time too.
Right, yeah. And so you could do that with a merge code where you could do the admin email, or you could just type in a certain email right there. So it doesn't just have to be a merge code. You could type emails, and you can also do multiple emails if you separate them with a comma. And this is a great thing to do, especially when you're getting started. When you're first testing out these campaigns for your products to see, is this campaign working? Are we making conversions? Is to BCC yourself. That's a really smart idea. So let's publish this email. Now that my email and my coupon are published, we'll go to engagements, add engagement, because now we've created the email, but there's no trigger for this email to go out. So that's where the engagements, add engagement comes in. We'll say saving strategy upsell. And we'll say when a student enrolls in a course is going to be the triggering event. It's going to ask me to select which course. It'll be the saving strategy one. And then what do I want to do when they enroll in the course? I want to send an email. And then I'm going to select saving strategy upsell email. I could do a delay. I could say, wait 1 day before sending this email, but I want students to take action immediately. I want them to get this email right as they sign up. So I'm going to publish that. And that's all we need to do. So when a student enrolls in the saving strategy course, I will get an email about it. And let's test that email real quick. If I go to users, I'll is the saving, let me make a maybe a free access plan on the saving strategy course real quick so that I can enroll as a test user. That'll probably be the smoothest way to test out to make sure my email is working. A la carte course is now free. Save. All right, so making that a free access plan will help me get a little bit of a sample enrollment going. Let me copy my link address, and I'm going to jump down to the users area. Give it a second, I have to just leave the page there. Let's find someone who's not enrolled in saving strategy. I bet this user is not enrolled in the saving strategy course. So I'm going to switch to this user. I'm going to go ahead and go to courses. I'm not sure where the saving strategy one here is in the catalog, but I'm sure we'll find it. Saving strategy. Then from here, I'm going to enroll for free in the saving strategy course. Awesome. So I've successfully enrolled in the course and I can start taking it. And presumably I would have paid if this was a real example. But the student should get an email. Let's check if that email went out. So if I switch back with this user switching plugin, I can switch back to my website admin there in the corner. Go to the back end of the website, and I installed a free plugin called Email Log, which is a nice one to be able to see the emails in WordPress that go out. So looks like Tyshawn Roberts got a sweet discount for signing up, which is exactly what I wanted. Let's see what this email looks like in a preview. This this at the top wouldn't come through in the actual email, but here's the email body and what it looks like. Thanks for signing up. Here's the 50% off coupon. So it looks like it successfully went out, and the customers will and students will automatically get hooked up with that deal. Does that kind of make sense for how we could create that upsell with email engagements with Lifter out of the box?
Yeah, that totally makes sense. And this is a super powerful automated way to make more money as a course creator, coach. If you're selling your online training, it's a tried and true method. When people are basically have their credit card out and are making a purchase, and their dopamine is the highest or the most excited, they're in like a buying behavior. It's a great way to help them even more by giving them a sweet discount and an opportunity to buy something else. Thanks for demoing that, Will. I'd encourage all of you who are watching this and selling courses to implement this strategy. Check out email engagements. And by the way, this is included in just the free core LifterLMS plugin. So you don't even have to, there's no add-on for upsells like that. So check out email engagements. There's lots of different ways to use them. Go check out lifterlms.com/Black-Friday to get some great discounts, $2,000 in bonuses on any new order. We have a surprise coming for you on Cyber Monday as well. So we'll get into that in a little bit. But that's it for this Feature Friday. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and weekend. Take care.